Davis here with Owner's Pride, and today we're going to be talking about our OP Select 9-year self-healing ceramic coating. OP Select is a two-part system with an A and a B that are laid wet over top of each other. OP Select is a lot different of an install than our flagship coating lineup. It's a little bit more difficult, but the results are definitely worth it.
Start by priming the applicator block with Select Part 1. Squeeze the block to ensure even distribution. Now, apply Part 1 to the panel using a crosshatch pattern. First in one direction, then the other for maximum coverage. A few important things to note. Start on an inconspicuous panel like the rear bumper to help get a feel for the application and timing. Do not apply in direct sunlight and work on a maximum of 2 panels at a time. After applying Part 1, wait between 2 to 4 minutes before moving on to Part 2. Do not knock down Part 1 during this time. Next, prime the second applicator block with Select Part 2, again squeezing to ensure even distribution. Apply Part 2 directly over Part 1 using the same crosshatch pattern for even coverage. Immediately after applying Part 2, knock down the ceramic coating using the 2 supplied towels. You should feel some resistance at first. Continue wiping until the towel moves smoothly over the surface. If you see any high spots after install, simply use EcoWash and a high pile towel to remove the excess solvent.
So there you have it. That's how you install our OP Select 9-year self-healing coating. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below or reach out to your rep. If you're not an OP authorized installer and you're interested in becoming one, there's going to be a link down in the description as well. Give us a like and subscribe for more information on OP products.